Hello, my name is Sachintan. Today I will be presenting my first Python project about rock, paper, scissors. First, I will show you the code and then I will show you how the game works. Then, if I have time, I will let you play the game as well. First in this code, we have a print statement that talks about the rules of the game. You can either choose rock, paper, or scissors. Rock beats scissors, scissors beats paper, and paper beats rock. The next statement is that we have an import random. First, and then we have an input statement where you enter your name. This is determined by variable b. Then we have two other variables. Score c is the score for the computer. We're starting out with 0 points. And score u is for the user, who is you, me, or anyone who's playing the game. And this also starts out at 0. Then we have a ch statement, which will come in handy later on. So first, now we have our while true statement. First, we have the computer, which is x, have a random choice from the list rock, paper, or scissors. Then we have you, the user, input either rock, paper, or scissors. Then we have our first if statement. If A is rock and x is scissors, or A is paper and x is rock, or A is scissors and x is paper, then you would print. And then we have an F statement here. The computer chose X, which is the computer's choice, and you chose A, which is your choice. Congratulations, you win. Because as you can see here, rock beats scissors, paper beats rock, and scissors beats paper. So then we'll add 5 points to the user's score. Then we'll print the score so far, which would be score U is your score, score C is the computer's score. Then our first elif statement is if A is the same thing as X, like rock, rock, scissors, scissors, or paper, paper. Then it would print the computer chose X, which is what the computer chose. You chose A, it was a tie. Then it will also print the scores again, so far. Then our last statement is if you lose. So if A is paper and X is scissors, or if A is scissors and X is rock, or if A is rock and X is paper, then we would print the computer chose X and you chose A. Better luck next time. Then we would add 5 points to the computer's score. Then we'd print the score so far once again. Then we have one more statement that lets you, so if you would enter quit when prompted to, then it would stop the code. If you would press enter, it would start again. And then it would save your points from the last game. Now I will present the actual code. So, let's run it. So, enter either rock, let me just get rid of this. So, now we are starting the code. First, you can read the rules. The rules of the game are that you can either choose rock, paper, scissors, and all of this I read earlier. So now I will enter my name. Then I will choose either rock, paper, or scissors. I'll go with rock. Then you will read a statement. The computer chose scissors and you chose rock. Congratulations, you win. 5 is your score, 0 is the computer score. Enter quit to exist. If I want to play again though, I can press enter and we can start again. So then if we enter paper this time, the computer chose scissors and you chose paper. Better luck next time. Now 5 is your score and 5 is the computer score. So all the scores will keep on building up until you press quit. So if I were to press quit now, the code would end. Thank you for your time, and I'm really excited that I got to present this wonderful code that I have worked hard to create. Thank you very much for your time.